everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will share some ways to earn a few bucks a day. This is what making more money can do for you. It can help you save money and pay off your debt. It will help you stop living paycheck to paycheck. You could reach financial freedom sooner, and it may help you to leave a job you hate, or you could also be able to retire sooner. And making extra money doesn't have to be difficult. If you're willing to put an extra hour or two a day into something you're passionate about instead of watching TV or looking at Facebook, you'll be surprised at what you can achieve. One of the best things you can do to make money fast is to invest in your networking at work and spend time learning as much as possible and try to get a raise or promotion. This alone could help you to make an extra $100 a day in no time. But if you're still a student or a stay-at-home mom or dad, or are looking for creative ways to make money from home, you are in the right place. So let's dive into it. And here are some of the best easy ways to make money. No matter what your skills are, you can find something that will work for you. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, and be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my content-packed videos. I truly appreciate your help, so let's get started, shall we? Here are some creative ways to make extra cash. I'm not gonna lie, you are going to have to put in some work if you want to find out how to make extra dollars in a day, but there are some clever ways to make money out there if you're up for the challenge. Number one, get paid to walk. We all know we need to stay active to keep fit, and you're probably trying to get to your 10,000 steps a day every day. How about getting paid for that? There's a new app called Sweatcoin that will pay you for every step you take. This app will help you to be more motivated to stay fit, take the stairs an extra times a day, and walk more. Number two, get paid to take surveys. Taking surveys online is an easy, no-brainer way of making extra money. Most survey sites aren't great. It takes too long to make enough money and you never qualify. But Swagbucks and SurveyJunkie are great. Swagbucks offers a free $5 bonus for signing up, and I have a link in the description where you can sign up and start earning. SurveyJunkie is a great survey selection to choose from, easy to qualify and earn money. These two surveys are rated excellent on Trustpilot and have thousands of reviews. Another survey company is LifePoints. It's available in 40 countries and there are plenty of surveys to choose from. Each one takes 10 minutes or less. And most of these surveys can be taken while watching your favorite TV series. You definitely won't get rich or make $100 a day with surveys alone, but you won't waste much time and it will help you to get there by making an extra $5 or $10 a day. Number three, become a respondent. It's a bit like surveys. You can share your opinion in focus groups or market research studies. Companies are looking for qualified people to join their study, and you don't necessarily need to be a professional to participate. Respondent.io is a legit company that provides qualified research respondents to whoever needs it. This company offers a lot of one-on-one interviews or projects that suit everybody. And the great thing is that anyone aged 18 or older can join. Respondent.io is always looking for industry professionals, parents, and students. We have projects that are available to US residents as well as international. So this means you don't have to be in the US to join and earn from $50 to $250 per research. All you need to join is a PayPal account and either Facebook or LinkedIn to connect your profile. And this is how it works. You apply to participate in studies that you think are a good fit for you. The research or sponsor of the study reviews responses and sends invitations to respondents that are best fit. If you receive an invitation to participate, you choose a time that suits you from those made available by the researcher. After you have completed the study, you are paid via PayPal. Are you in the US or Canada? If you are, another top-rated legit company to earn money is User Interviews. User Interviews has a range of very diverse studies covering many topics: technology, food, consumer goods, family, software, hobbies, pets, sports, transportation, beauty, social media, music, you name it. And they have some incredible clients including Pinterest, Spotify, Vistaprint, Wayfair, Thumbtack, and more. Number four, become a shopper. If you love shopping around, how about doing it for others? With Instacart, you will work as an independent contractor delivering groceries for other people. There's a great potential to make good money. You could make up to $25 per hour during busy times, although the average is between 10 to 20 per hour. It couldn't be easier. You get offered the order, you shop the order, you get paid. You make your own schedule and pick your orders, and the flexibility is what makes it so great, especially if you have limited time or a stay-at-home mom or a student. Oh, and by the way, I put a lot of time, work, and research into my videos, and if you appreciate them and want to see more, then all I ask is for a like and subscribe. If this channel keeps growing, then I'll keep producing. Number 5, get paid to watch videos online. InboxDollars is a cool website to make some cash with surveys, but you can also make money by watching movie previews, TV shows, celebrity videos, the latest news, and many other videos. Plus, you'll get a bonus of $5 just for signing up. But how does it work? That's easy. Simply head to InboxDollars.com and log in to see the list of video available for you to watch. You'll watch videos on your phone or laptop. InboxDollars then rewards you for watching them with your choice of free cash or gift cards for popular brands. You need to watch all of the shows in a specific playlist, so be prepared and get the popcorn ready. You can check out how long the playlist runs before you start watching, and playlists range from a few minutes to about half an hour. Number 6, sell your crafts. If you are a creative person, did you ever think about selling your crafts on websites like Etsy? By making and selling your crafts, you can set your own hours, spend your days producing items that you enjoy making, and earn money in the process. The trick here is to make sure you actually make items that will sell. Number 7, make an extra dollars pet sitting. If you love animals, pet sitting is a great way to make extra money. Pet sitting is extremely flexible because you decide when to do it and you can fit it around your own schedule. It's easy to do even if you work full-time, as you can spend time during the weekend looking after our little friends. Rover is the perfect place to start. It offers different services to pet owners, and once you have registered with them, you will be able to decide which one you want to offer to your potential clients. Number 8, get paid to play games online. Do you spend endless hours playing games on your phone when you have nothing to do? How about getting paid to do that? Mistplay is a legit Android app that pays you to play. If you want to start making money, download the app, install a game in your list. After 2 to 5 minutes of playing, you will start earning units. Share your feedback on the game with developers to earn extra units. Developers will use your feedback to improve the games before launching them on the market officially. So once you reach enough units, you can redeem them for free gift cards, including Visa gift cards, Amazon gift cards, Google Play, iTunes, PlayStation gift cards, and more. You're not going to get rich just by using this app, but it's a great way to earn some extra money by doing something you already do. Number 9, deliver for Amazon. Another way to make money is to make deliveries for Amazon Flex. You can make between $80 to $25 per hour, which means you could make $100 a day by simply working 4 hours. But how does it work? You pick up packages from one of their Amazon facilities, download an app that gives you the quickest delivery route to follow, and deliver the packages. You can set the times you can work and build your schedule around your needs. There are opportunities 7 days a week, so it doesn't really matter when you are free. Number 10, get paid to shop. How about getting cash back for any online shopping you do? Fetch Rewards is an incredible app. With Fetch Rewards, you simply scan any grocery receipt after you shop and save on thousands of popular products throughout the store. Earn points on every receipt you scan. No clipping coupons, chasing down expiry deals, or missing out on savings. Just shop, scan, and save. Rakuten is a great app. You can download it for free, and with over 2,000 stores to choose from, you will be able to make some extra money every month. Depending on what you buy every month, you might be able to get everything or anything between 2 to 7% of your money back without much effort. To earn money with Rakuten, you just need to follow some simple steps. Go to the Rakuten website or open the app, select the store you need to shop from, buy whatever you were planning to buy as normal, and get cash back. Number 11, do small tasks for others. The world is full of people that don't have time to do small chore-type tasks like data entry, picking up groceries, cleaning their garden, or putting together furniture. If you are up to running some errands for others, you can easily make some money on websites like TaskRabbit, Fiverr, Thumbtack, Gigwalk. And by the way, TaskRabbit is one of the best websites with a high variety of tasks, but there is a $20 non-refundable registration fee to pay when you register to become a tasker. Number 12, rent your extra room on Airbnb. Do you own your house and have some extra rooms, or do you rent a place with some extra space? Check with your landlord if you can rent it for some cash. You can start earning money now with websites like Airbnb. Airbnb is a safe way to earn money as you can screen your potential guests before arrival and you can accept or reject them based on previous reviews. Going away on a holiday, list your home while you're away and you can earn more than what your holiday is costing you. Or do you live near a stadium where an event is taking place? There's always a need for extra accommodation. So remember, if you want to make money, you need to put in the work. No one gives money away for free. Whether you want to start your own side gig or a small business, find out what you enjoy and pick your favorite idea to make more money in your spare time. Have you tried other creative ways to make money? I would love to hear from you, so please comment down below. Some of these may not be applicable at this time because of the current situation. If you appreciate that I make videos like this for free, please like, subscribe, and share this video on social media. It really helps the YouTube algorithm and gives me reasons to keep making these videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Keep watching and keep learning. Bye!